Let us pray for a happy life and relaxed mind. My mind's ability to learn and remember is increasing every day. I have a sharp mind which makes me a very good student. I have a winner's mindset and I love accomplishing my goals. I am advancing to new levels by learning more each day. I feel thankful to be a student and it shows. I radiate positive energy. I am a gifted student and I can achieve anything. I am a talented and prominent student. I have self-respect and dignity. I make a positive impact on other students' lives. I am kind and courteous to all people. I love my student life. I strive to do my best every day. I embrace life as a student. I am on the journey of becoming a very successful student. I am advancing to new levels by learning more each day. It is possible for me to achieve all my goals because my true potential is limitless. My mind absorbs and processes new information with greater speed. I love gaining knowledge which helps me in growing to my full potential. I have a sharp mind that makes me a very good student. I am a very quick learner. I am very good at gaining knowledge and making proper use of it. My mind's ability to learn and remember is increasing every day. It's okay not to know everything. I can always learn. I start with a positive mindset. I am capable. I am in control of my progress. I create a healthy balance in my life. I can get through everything. I am building my future. I can change the world. I will win at what I put my mind to. I am excited to step into a new world. Anything is possible. I will continue to expand my mind. I am worthy to receive. Nothing can stop me from living the life of my dreams. I am a beautiful person. I matter. I am strong. I am genuine. I can do anything I put my mind to. I've got this. I choose healthy ways to deal with stress. There is no reason for me to compare myself to others. I'm only human and we all make mistakes. Success is not final and failure is not fatal. It's the courage to persevere that counts in the end. I am blessed to live this life that I have created. Every day, I improve myself in some way. I am worthy of deep connections. I love and approve of myself. I am always relaxed during exams. Getting good grades is natural for me. I am learning to enjoy studying. While writing answers, I recall information quickly. I work both hard and smartly to clear my exams. I look forward to a great result of my exams. I succeed even in stressful situations. Recalling information while writing in exams is easy. I am good at turning my nervous feelings into high confidence. I will do well in this exam as I am well prepared. I am an excellent student. I always pass exams with flying colors. I know what I need to know for this exam. I feel good about myself and my preparations for tests and exams. I will pass my exams. Wish you a very happy day.